girlies, welcome back to the channel. Creepy crate unboxing. Ta-da! We're just getting right in. We're already open. So another creepy crate turned up and I'm very excited to see what's in here. For those of you who don't know, this is a horror themed subscription box and it is great for anyone who is into that sort of thing. Right on top we have this which tells us what's in here. I'm not going to look at this yet because I like surprises. So I am very excited. I'm already seeing some cute things like looking down. So if you're a horror fan, I hope you're ready for this. So first up seems to be, yes, so there usually is an ebook in one of these and this month it is called Killing Season and it's the unsolved case of New England's deadliest serial killer. Ooh, interesting. Over the course of 7 months in 1988, 11 women disappeared off the streets of New Bedford, Massachusetts, a gloomy, drug-addled coastal town that was once the whaling capital of the world. 9 turned up dead, 2 were never found, and the killer remains unknown to this day. So that's what this is about. So this usually costs $9.99, but you can get it for free with this. So if you get one of these boxes, you get a little code and how to download it. So that is very cool. Next up, ooh, we have a book. Is there something stuck in this book? Oh, got something was. So we have a book, an actual physical book. Ooh, so this is called The Chrysalis. Creepy, powerful, and wonderfully twisted. And it says, don't go in the basement. I love this cover, first of all. Like, I know you're not supposed to judge a book by its cover, but I'm kind of loving the cover. So, and the name definitely has me intrigued. And this is by Brendan Deneen. So yeah, it doesn't have like a little blurb, it just has a lot of like, you know, quotes from various places. But this seems really, really interesting. I am actually quite excited to dive into this. By the way, I've been thinking of doing something along the lines of, because people have asked me to do book reviews. I'm not keen on that because I don't know how to review a book without spoilers, and I don't like giving spoilers. Like, if I love a book, I want you to go into it like as blind as I did, not knowing anything about it, and like experience the whole thing with me. So I was thinking, instead of like reviewing books I've already read, of doing like a reading list type book. So like all the books I'm planning on reading soon, just to show you, like, then the only information I'm giving you is like, you know, the stuff on the back and everything, like a little bit about what it's about. And then, you know, it means we can kind of like read together. So let me know if you would be interested in a like gothy reading list type video. I would love to know your thoughts. But yeah, I think this will be on there because I am intrigued. I'm also very thirsty. Oh, cute. Okay, next we have, ooh, we have a pop, what's it called? Pop socket? Is that what these are called? It's those things you put on your phone. And it has Jason, I believe. I always get the people mixed up, but I'm pretty sure it was Jason. It has Jason on it, so that's cool. I wish I could use these because I recently tried one and it's actually so handy, but I really like those big, you know, like silicone, like flexible, like cute phone cases. And obviously these don't work with that, but they're so convenient. So I might just get like a hard case and decorate it all pretty and then put one of these on it, and I can use that whenever I want that convenience because it is great. But Jake has just recently discovered these as well and now he's in love with them, so I might even give this one to him to use if he wants it. But yeah, these are really cool. And this is a fun little horror one, so that is awesome. Oh, cool! So we have a bloody shower curtain. So it's just, you know, a good old shower curtain with like blood splats and all over it, which is fun because I've been wanting a shower curtain for the bathroom. I do need to figure out if I can actually put one up because our bathroom's kind of a weird shape, but I have been wanting one. So now I have an excuse to actually try to finally figure that out. And yeah, it's a fun bloody one. That'll be especially fun for Halloween. Ooh! So we have like a little drawstring type bag, and I feel like I don't need to tell most of you what that is. I think we all know, especially with the newer movie coming out recently. That is so fun. I actually liked the new movie so much more than I thought I would. I put off watching it for months. I only watched it like 2 months ago for the first time because I wasn't really keen on the clown design. I don't know. But I actually ended up really, really enjoying it. I actually thought it was very, very good, so I am pleased with this. Just one brief moment though, I've never read the book. I've seen, you know, the old movie with Tim Curry, I think, and I've seen this movie. I have never read the book. Only just found out about the creepy scene at the end. Like, I'm not gonna say it, but like, I feel like anyone who knows the book knows what I'm talking about, the creepy scene towards the end of the book. Only just found out about that. What the hell? Like, whenever someone told me about this, like I said, I don't want to say it, it's too horrible, but whenever someone told me about this, like, I thought they were messing around with me. I was like, no, there's no way that's in the book. There's not a chance that that's in the book. And even whenever they like give me sources, I was still like, No, there's no, that it's fake. There's no way it's in the book. I can't believe it. Like, that's horrifying. So I'm sorry for anyone who doesn't know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you can look it up. I'm sure you can find it, but oh. Okay. Finally, we have, what is this, a candle? It looks like a candle. I hope it's a, ooh. So this is, yes, it's a candle, and this is vanilla lotion scented, and it says it rubs the lotion on its skin or else it gets the hose again. So that's fun. So it's a little Silence of the Lambs themed thing. You can see on here. See, it says Bill Skin's 5th. This is the top. And that smells really good. Oh. I find like some candles, like, you know, that you get, like, they're meant to smell amazing and they smell like nothing, but this, like, you really do get a big blast of vanilla from it. Very nice indeed. Although Jake hates it now whenever I get these, like, metal tin candles, because we had an unfortunate, like, fire tornado incident once with them. So make sure you don't leave these unattended and don't let them burn too long. But they're usually fine. We just had, like, we had a bad situation. Now whenever he sees me get one of those, he's like, no! I'm like, I'll be careful, I promise. But yeah, that smells amazing. So, let's make sure we got everything. We got the Chrysalis by Brendan Deneen, yes. We got the Bloody Shower Curtain, We got the It Rubs the Lotion on Its Skin travel candle. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, if you're going to like a little hotel or something, bring a candle along. That's cool. I wanted to do it. Again, it's all small. I'm too amused by that. Okay. Red Balloon Drawstring Backpack, yes. Oh, just in case anyone doesn't know what it's from, like, I just assumed everyone does. It's from It, just in case. So yes, there was that. The Hockey Mask Pop-Up Socket, yep, we got that. And Killing Season by Carlton Smith. We got everything. So that was a very fun little box, and I actually knew what everything was this time. Because, like, sometimes you get, you know, the really classic horror stuff, and I haven't watched a ton of, like, the old school horror movies, so I end up a little bit lost. But I knew what all of this was, so that's good. Oh, so thirsty. So I hope you enjoyed this Creepy Crate unboxing. I did. I really like everything we got in this one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You can check the description below for all the appropriate links, including a link to my Patreon, which if you could check that out, oh, I would just adore you. We have our own private Discord for all of our Patreon supporters, and it is great fun in there. Very, very fun. And on top of that, once we reach 200 people in the Patreon family, I'm going to be doing a giveaway and a brand new transformation video where I transform into something that is very much not my style. So if you want to contribute towards that, consider signing up to Patreon. And that is just about everything. I will go now. I hope you've had a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies!